Good morning. Today it's going to be a lovely, beautiful prawn pulao, and this is going to be very fast and quick. For this, I have a cup of basmati rice, and I have got prawns, say 10 of them, well clean. I have some curry leaves, salt to taste, lemon juice, Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and then I have a quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, crushed pepper, remember coriander and cumin roasted, okay, and then I have a ginger garlic paste, a nice tablespoon, few coriander leaves, half a tomato, half an onion, and definitely the beautiful curry leaves. Okay, I've got a lovely rice cooker. Let's start now. Remember, I will be using butter for my cooking. Okay, butter. So I've put 2 teaspoons of butter, and as it gets hot, I will drop the onions. I need to brown the onions, so let's wait for it to brown. And as it browns, I will drop the curry leaves. So once the onions are getting brown, drop the curry leaves. Okay, need to stir it well. Close the lid. Watch your onions, and then drop your ginger garlic paste. Stir it a bit and leave it there and keep watching it. Don't burn it. So now you keep watching. Don't worry about the timing. Just keep watching. Okay. So it looks okay to me. You don't need to burn them out. It's time now. You put your powders or your spices all together. Okay. And then you clean up your plate. Alright, just a bit of a stir. Shut the lid. The tomatoes can go after, and again you don't need to fry them a lot. Alright, okay, it's time now to drop your tomato and coriander leaves together. Okay. It's hard to use your camera and cook at the same time, but we have to try. Okay, clear. Stir a bit. Shut the lid. Keep watching. Don't worry about the timing. Should be on cook all the time. Alright, just keep, looks good. Don't wait for the tomato to go brown, you know, it has to be fresh there, because it should be like a tomato rice, etc. So now time to add your rice. 1 cup of rice, so the calculation is 1:2. Okay, see, you want to increase your spice heat, you can add green chilies, right? So let me add the water. Okay, 1 more cup I have to add. 1 more cup. Yeah. Okay, good. And 1 more cup of water. Okay. Give it a good stir. Wait for it to boil. Keep watching, don't worry about the timing, okay? Keep it on cook. So let's have a look, and it's time now to add your salt, yeah, to taste. Add some lemon, just enough, probably a teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon, and then add your prawns. Okay, very delicious dish and very easy to prepare. Keep watching, keep watching. Time now to drop your fresh curry leaves. I do put them lighter because the curry leaves need to stay fresh. Yeah, they can't be burnt. Yeah, it gives you a better flavor. So you keep watching, you will see it going to warm. That means it's cooked and the prawn pulao is ready and will be served. You can add as many as prawns you want, but I would say just add just enough to give you that flavor of the lovely prawn. Okay, there you see, voila, tasty delicious prawn pulao is ready and will be served. Okay, you all have a lovely day and keep watching and stay tuned.